Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice the short vowel sounds. But first of all, I would like you to get your phone. Do you have it? It looks like this. All right, I want you to hold it like a telephone and position it like this. Let's begin. The first one is the short vowel A. Now, make sure that you look at the picture and form your mouth like the picture. Say it. Ah. Again. Ah. Very good. The next one, look at the picture. Say it. Eh. Eh. Once more. Eh. All right, good. Now look at the picture here. I would like you to open your mouth and your teeth slightly. Say it. Eh. Eh. Now if your teeth are together, it sounds like this. E. E. And that is wrong. Open your mouth, your teeth slightly. Say it. Eh. Eh. Good. Next. Ah. Ah. Once more. Ah. Ah. Good. The last one is the short vowel Say it. Once more. Good. Let's review. Together. Again. Eh. E. E. Ah. Very good. Very good. Now the last one we're going to be practicing is the high frequency word the. The. Now be sure not to say this one. This is d. D. And that is wrong. I would like you to say it like this. The. Now, the is broken into two parts. The first one is like this. The second part is Now together, the. Now to make this sound really, really nice, I would like you to get a piece of tissue paper. And I would like you to position it right in front of your mouth. And I would like you to say the word the like this. The. Do you see the tissue paper moving? The. If the tissue paper is moving, that means you're saying the word correctly. Now let's try it again with the phone. Break it into two parts. Once more. The. Very good. Now please practice this video as many times as you can. You can do it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.